Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. In the previous video, we have discussed about chapter 1, the sentence, and in today's video, we are going to revise chapter 2, noun. Here you can see that what is noun. In the previous video, I have explained each and everything. Please go through the previous video. Here, nouns are words which name persons, animals, places, object, qualities, etc. The noun are also known as naming word. Okay? Now, nouns are words which name persons, animals, places, objects, qualities, etc. The nouns are also known as naming words. For example, school. School, the name St. Mary. For example, school St. Thomas. Okay? Here, the word school is noun. School is noun because it denotes the place, places, place. This is noun. Now second one, girl. Girl. For example, Neeti, Rahul, boy. Okay? So here you can see uncle, aunt, boy, city. They are the examples of particular places, particular person and particular place. Now here you can see the words school, aunt, girl, uncle, boy and city are all nouns. They are all nouns. We use these names to denote the kinds of groups of persons, places or things. We use these names to denote whether it is a group of a persons, group of a places or group of a things. In this chapter, we will study about two nouns. First one, common noun, and second, proper noun. First, what is common noun? Here, a naming word which is common to places, things, animals, objects and types of people is called a common noun. I am repeating it once again. A naming word which is common to places, common to things, common to animals, common to objects and common, they are types of people. Means whether the word which is common to places, things, animals, objects and types of people is called a common noun. For example, grandfather, grandfather. Second one, lawyer. Third, fisherman. You can see on your page number 9, pictures are shown there. First one, grandfather. Second, lawyer. Third, fisherman. Now come to the next page. Page number 10, dancer. The girl is dancing there. You can see the picture. And pilot. Next one, next picture is builder. Now here you can see the words fisherman, lawyer, grandfather, dancer, pilot and builder explains a person's work. Explains the person work. They all are known as common word. They all are known as common word. and they are common noun. Here you can see grandfather. It is your grandfather, my grandfather, your friend's grandfather. They are common. Lawyer, whether it is girl or a boy, they both are called lawyer. And fisherman, here you can say dancer, pilot, builder. They explains person's work, that they are dancer, they are pilot, they are builder. They are common. That's why they all are known as common nouns. No more, you can see given there the word thing. The word thing includes all objects which we can see, which we can hear, which we can taste, and which we can touch or smell. I am repeating it once again. The word things includes all objects which we can see, hear, taste, touch or smell. Can see, hear, taste, touch or smell. The word include thing. Thing includes all objects. Now second one, proper noun. The naming words St. Mary's, Neeti, Mr. Rawat, Mrs. Rawat, Subhash and Delhi are individual names. You can see here there are examples. The naming words St. Mary's, Neeti, Mrs. Rawat, Mr. Rawat, Subhash and Delhi are individual names of a particular. You can see they are not general but specific, that this is Mrs. Rawat, this is Mr. Rawat, this is Subhas. They are naming words. So proper nouns are the name given to particular people. Proper nouns are the names given to particular people, places and things. They always begin with capital letters. They always begin with capital letters. The names given to the days of the week, months, titles of the books, films, newspapers, ships, rivers, mountains, etc. are all proper nouns. You can see the names given to the days of the week. We write there Monday, starting with capital letter, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the names given to the days of the week, months, January, February. Now title of the books, your book's name. Now films, newspaper, ships, river, mountain, etc. They all are proper nouns. Are all proper nouns. For example, you can see there are two girls talking there on page number 10. You can see they are talking that I was born in the month of July. First girl said that she was born in the month of July. Here you can see I started with capital letter. I was born in the month of July. And I am Shalu. I live in Delhi. You can see Shalu. The spelling of Shalu start with capital letter and Delhi start with D in capital letter. Now the second girl, hello, I am Sonu. I live in Mumbai. Here you can see spelling of Sonu start with capital letter and spelling of Mumbai. Now you can see once again here I was born in the month of July. You can see the alphabet J. July here written in capital letter. I was born in the month of July. July written in capital letter. They always begin with the capital letter. Who? Proper noun always begin with capital letter. Now come here. I would like to see the Taj Mahal. The spelling of Taj Mahal, T, is in capital letter. and M is also in capital letter. And Redford, you can see red is R is also in capital letter and F is also in capital letter. So here the colored words in the above sentences are proper noun: July, Sonu, Mumbai, Shalu, Delhi, Taj Mahal and Redford. The colored words in the above sentences are proper nouns. Now, this is your revision of chapter 2, noun. Now, I hope you all have understood it once again. Now we are going to solve our exercises. Now come to the page number 11. Here you can see, put these common nouns in the correct column. Here columns are given: things, animals, places, people. Columns are given on page number 11. What you have to do? You have to choose the word whether it is things, animals, places or people, and you have to write in the column of things, animal, places and people. Here it is already done for you, and I hope you all will do it in your notebook and as well as in your textbook also. Now come to the next one, B. Underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns in the sentences. Here what you have to do, my dear students, you have to do underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns in the sentences. Underlined one will be proper noun and circle one common nouns. First one, I told uncle. Uncle is a common noun. And Rawat. Rawat is a proper noun. It is a proper noun. About my accident. I told Uncle Rawat about my accident. Here, uncle is common noun and Rawat is proper noun. Now, second one, I live in Hyderabad. I live in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a proper noun. It is the name of a particular place. It is a name of a particular place. Hyderabad is the name of a particular place. So, you have to underline Hyderabad. Now, third one, I like Sandhya the most. Sandhya is also a name of a particular girl. I like Sandhya. You have to line the word Sandhya. Now, fourth one, I am a girl. I am a girl. Then girl is a common noun. Now, fifth one, I am eating cake. Cake. Cake is also, what is? It is also common noun. Now, sixth one, I like to see the Andaman Island. Here you have to underline Andaman. Andaman is a name of a particular place. Seventh one, I have so many friends. So many friends. Then you have to circle the word friends because it is a common noun. Now, eighth one, the lion is playing with its cub. Here lion is also common noun and cub is also a common noun. Now come to the next page, page number 12. Here fill in the blanks using common nouns. First one, he takes care of our teeth. He is a dentist. D-E-N-T-I-S-T, dentist. D-E-N-T-I-S-T, dentist. Who takes care of our teeth? Dentist. He is a dentist. Now, second one, he practices law. He is a lawyer. L-A-W-Y-E-R, lawyer. Third one, the man who mends shoes is a cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. The man Who mends shoe is a cobbler. Fourth one, she teaches us in school. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Now fifth one, he acts in a film. He is a actor. He is a actor. Now sixth one, he bakes cakes and cookies. He is a baker. B-A-K-E-R, baker. Now come to the D one. D. Put each of the proper nouns in the correct column. Here you can see, my dear students, on page number 12, so many words are given there. They belongs to the proper noun. So what you have to do, you have to write the name in the column of people, and you have to write month, days of the week in the second column, and in the place you have to write the name of the place. And monuments, here the words, you have to choose the word and write the name of the monuments in the given space. And fourth one, festival. Okay, now people, you can choose what is people here. What is the name of the people here? First one, Harry Potter. Second one, Mahatma Gandhi. Third one, George W. Bush. Fourth one, Tony Blair. Now month, days of the week, you can see Monday, January, April and Sunday. Place, Germany, Australia, India and Russia. Monument, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Eiffel Tower, the India Gate. Festival, Christmas Day, Diwali, Children's Day and Valentine's Day. Now this is your revision of chapter 2 now. Now it's time for homework. Come to the page number 13. You can see page number 13. What you have to, my dear student, what you have to do, your E, question E, put C for common noun, put P in the box for the proper noun. You can see Sunil, Delhi, in an apartment by the river Yamuna. He has 3 dogs and a cat. He likes to read different books. Last Durga Puja, he went to Kolkata and saw the Ganges. He enjoyed eating Bengali food in quality restaurant. You can see what you have to do. You have to write C for common noun and P for proper noun in the box if it is common or proper noun. Now come to the F1. Match the following proper noun with the common noun. You have to match them. Now G. Question G. Pick out the common noun and proper noun in the box given below and write them in the respective column. Okay. Now you have to do all the exercises in your textbook as well as in your notebook. I hope you all will do your homework in your notebook as well as you will fill your textbook also. Thank you so much. God bless you.